narrative silence control is about knowing when an image should stop speaking. The philosophy behind this domain is that over-articulation kills emotional resonance. You learn to identify the point at which further refinement reduces impact instead of increasing it. The actionable insight is developing sensitivity to visual overstatement and learning how to pull back without weakening intent. When silence is intentional, it amplifies meaning. This discipline teaches restraint as a technical skill rather than a stylistic preference. By adopting this mindset, you create images that trust the viewer instead of overwhelming them, leaving space for emotion to settle.